Hi everyone, welcome to Eco Learning Classes. This is Professor Geeta Mahesh. Dear students, today we will be discussing 6 marks important questions. Okay, according to 2022 and 23 blueprint, 6 mark questions. There will be 7 questions. Out of 7 questions, you need to answer 4 questions. Okay, so let us discuss what are important questions or what are the chapters where they will rise 6 mark questions. So if we consider microeconomics, from second chapter, they are going to ask one 6 mark question. From this chapter, there are 5 important questions which you need to prepare. Out of these 5 questions, one question you are going to answer in the exam. That means out of 7 questions, one question will be from this chapter. From second chapter, you can expect one question. Okay, that one question may be LDMU or the features of indifference curve or optimal choice or movement along the demand curve and shift in demand curve or derivation of market demand curve with the help of a diagram. Dear students, from microeconomics, fourth chapter, you can expect one 6 mark question. There are 3 important questions. Out of 3, you can expect one 6 mark question. From this chapter, that is a theory of forms under perfect computation, explain short-run supply curve of a firm with the help of diagram. Explain market supply curve with the help of a diagram. Explain total revenue and average revenue of a firm under perfect computation with the help of diagrams. So out of these 3 questions, one question you can expect for 6 marks. From microeconomics, fifth chapter if you consider, that is market equilibrium. From this chapter, you can expect one 6 mark question. Okay, so there are 3 important questions. First one is simultaneous shift in demand and supply curve in perfect competition with the help of diagram. Explain market equilibrium with a fixed number of firms with the help of a diagram, or the demand and supply curve of a wheat are given, that is QD equals 200 minus P and QS equals 120 plus P, and you need to answer the following questions. So from this chapter you can expect one 6 mark question, and from 6 marks, no, from 6th chapter also you can expect one 6 mark question, and from this chapter there are 3 important questions. First one is short-run equilibrium of monopoly firm with the help of simple case of zero cost. And one more question, that is short-run equilibrium of monopolist when the cost of production is positive using TRTC curves with the help of a diagram. And the next one is the problem-oriented question, and that is calculation of marginal revenue and marginal cost. So you need to calculate marginal revenue and marginal cost, and you need to answer the following questions. So this is one more important question. And from macroeconomics, one important 6 mark question they will ask from this chapter. Okay, there are 4 important questions in this chapter. So one is macroeconomic identities. Next, briefly explain expenditure method of measuring GDP. Next one is explain numerical example to show that all 3 methods of estimating GDP gives us same answer. And one more, write down some of limitations of using GDP as index of welfare of a country. So out of 4 questions, you can expect one 6 mark question. And from macroeconomics chapter 3, that is money and banking, from this chapter you can expect one 6 mark question. There are 4 important questions. First one is money. That is the explain the functions of money. How does money overcome the shortcomings of barter system? Then write a story of Goldsmith Lala and the process of deposit and loan credit creation by commercial banks, and explain open market operation. Then the last one is requisites of reserves acts as a limit to money creation. Explain. So out of these four, one 6-mark question you can expect. Next one is under chapter 6 macroeconomics. There are 3 questions. Out of 3 questions, you can expect one 6-mark question. So one is balance of payment. The second one is briefly explain foreign exchange market with a fixed exchange rate with the help of a diagram. Then write a note on gold standard. So out of these three, one 6-mark question you can expect, dear students. And if you prepare all these questions, you may be able to get 24 on 24. But still no, don't depend only on these questions. Please do prepare all important 6-mark questions from other chapters too. This is my suggestion for you. Dear students, if you like, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.